and it is, what are your best accomplishments as a lawyer? Go.
Did I scream?
I think my best accomplishments, frankly, is getting to the point in my career as a litigator, as an advocate for clients, where I have a basis of knowledge in the law, where people will come to me to serve as their private judge, even though, again, that they're paying for this and they have a free alternative at the courthouse, yet they're still willing to mutually agree on selecting me, pay the fees associated with that, in an effort to get the best possible ruling they can get. So that's how I would answer that.
Come this way so you didn't get in front of that speaker.
Okay. Well, you said accomplishments, so that means more than one, and I do have several, but I won't go through all of them.
Try two.
Oh, well, that might have to be three. I have my accomplishments as a litigator with the state. I am really proud of several things. Number one, in 2005, the state of California began a set of negotiations with the prison guard union. And it was going to be a difficult set of negotiations, because dealing with the prison guard union was a tough union. I mean, it's a tough union. Think of the Teamsters, or just your tough unions. That's what we dealt with. I was one of the advisors to the negotiation team for the state of California and to the management negotiating team. And this is so important because we accomplished in 2006, actually I think it happened by 2007, we accomplished what had never occurred in state collective bargaining. We had negotiated with the union in good faith. You can always negotiate with the union, but not necessarily in good faith. We negotiated in good faith, and we reached impasse in good faith, and we implemented our last, best, and final offer and maintained that status for, well, to the end of the Stracener administration. So it was a little over 3 years without a single valid unfair labor practice charge being sustained against the state. I was the lead attorney on that team. I wasn't the only people. I had a team of attorneys. I was the deputy chief counsel. We had other attorneys working with us. But I was in charge of that. I directed various legal strategies to keep us straight down the road in dealing in good faith. My position was so successful that the governor's office, the chief of staff, put me in charge of labor relations over the California Department of Corrections. In addition to that, I was one of the lead attorneys on the furlough litigation, one of the in-house attorneys. We had a team of attorneys, but I was one of the in-house attorneys that ultimately saved the state $2.8 billion. Okay, that was just two. I still got a third one, but I'll save it for later.
Good idea.